Okay, hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss how to solve riverboat problems. So this topic is very tricky. So please understand like how do we solve this kind of questions. Okay. Okay, suppose the river is stationary and suppose the man is right now here and he wants to reach at this point. So the river is stationary, river is not moving. So suppose the man can travel with velocity Vm and thickness of river is d. So the man will be traveling in this direction only. So in vertical, how much he has to travel d and what will be his velocity vm. So velocity is basically distance divided by time. So how much time will it take? So it will be d upon vm. And there will be no horizontal drift. The man will not go in horizontal direction, either in forward or in backward direction. He will only go in upward direction because there is no movement of river. But suppose the person is here and he is traveling in this direction. Suppose velocity of man is in this direction and this angle is theta. And same, suppose the thickness of river is d. Now if we'll see, suppose the man wants to reach on the opposite bank. So how much distance he has to travel in vertical direction? How much distance he has to travel? Distance d in vertical direction. And what will be his velocity in vertical direction? So his velocity will have two components now. The component which will be vertical will be Vm sine theta and the component which will be horizontal will be Vm cos theta. So how much time will it take to reach the opposite side if river is stationary? So what is the velocity in vertical direction? Vm sine theta. How much distance you travel in vertical direction? D. So velocity is distance by time. Time will be distance upon velocity. So d upon Vm sine theta. But the person will be in river for this much time and he is also traveling in horizontal direction. So how much distance he will cover in horizontal direction? Suppose that is x. So velocity in horizontal direction Vm cos theta will be equal to distance traveled in horizontal divided by total time, and time is what? Time is d upon Vm sin theta. So how much he will travel? So he will travel, x will be equal to, you have to cross multiply Vm cos theta and d upon Vm sin theta. So if we'll do that, the answer will be d into cot theta. So this will be your answer because Vm and Vm will cancel out. If we'll solve this, the Vm and Vm will cancel out. So this will be your answer. So if river is stationary and the man is traveling at an angle theta like this, so the velocity will have two components, Vm cos theta, Vm sin theta. So the person will travel in vertical direction due to Vm sin theta. So person will travel in vertical direction due to Vm sin theta. And what will be the distance to travel in vertical direction? D. So time taken to cross the river will be this, and in this time the person will also move in horizontal. So how much will he move in horizontal? So velocity in horizontal direction equal to distance divided by time, and time is d upon Vm sin theta. Now suppose the river is also flowing. Suppose the river is flowing with velocity Vr, and now our person is here. Suppose now our person is here, and suppose the now person travels with velocity Vm at angle theta. So if we'll see, the Vm will have two components, Vm cos theta in the direction of river and Vm sin theta perpendicular to the direction of river. So how much distance to travel in perpendicular direction d? So total time taken to cross the river will be same, that is d upon Vm sin theta. But if you will see, the net horizontal velocity will increase because the river is also in that direction and the horizontal component is also in that direction. So this component will be Vm cos theta plus Vr. So if I'll ask you, the person will travel something like this. So if I'll ask what will be this horizontal distance x, so velocity in horizontal direction is what? It is Vm cos theta plus Vr. Velocity is distance in horizontal x, and time again d upon Vm sin theta. So this is how you have to calculate the horizontal drift. It means how much the person has traveled in horizontal direction. And in all the cases, the time will be same. The time taken to cross the river will be d divided by vertical component of velocity, that is Vm sin theta. And suppose the person is traveling in backward direction. So what you will do is the horizontal component will be in backward direction. So you will write Vr minus Vm cos theta in that case. Okay.